Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Manny and today I'm going to be creating a key fob using 4 different colors, just like this one. Or if you decide, you can just use 2. The first thing you're going to do is selecting your favorite colors and melt them together. So the first thing you're going to do is creating a simple snake knot. You're going to make sure the melted comes all the way over right here. Just like that, and pull tightly so it stays in place. Now the next step is beginning the design by creating the first loop, and then the second one go backwards over and pass it under the first loop and place it gently, just like that. The next cord, I want to place it through the 2 loops that I made before I tie it, and I'm gonna make sure the melted stays in place in between these loops. So now I'm gonna adjust the first loop, by rotating and pull. Now the key to keep in order all the colors is the loop that you want to create on the left side doesn't overlap and end up on the right side. Make sure the ends right here next to the left cord. The next knot is gonna be this one. I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna leave this off and I'm gonna continue. Make sure you rotate it gently with your fingers and pull this cord and adjust. So now this cord ends up all the way to the right, and make sure that this stays in place and adjust the cord by pulling gently. Now I want to continue with the wand on the far left. I want to leave this off and I'm gonna grab the 2 in the middle and I'm gonna make the same loop. Gently rotate with your fingers and pull from the back and adjust the cord. Ensure when you create a knot, remember to place it on the left side next to the left cord. So now I continue with the burgundy. I want to grab these two cords, start pulling the excess, also double check that the cords on each side are in one line as shown on this one, just for consistency, and continue with the next one. The end of the cord all the way to the loop, it measures around 7.5 inches. So once you reach the desired length, you're gonna make the last knot, grabbing all the cords and then once you finish tying all cords, you can add accessories like beads or grab it each cord and create a small knot if you want, and cut the end of it, the excess cord, and melt it. It's up to you. The other option is making it into different color sequence. One is like this one, brown, green, or alternating the two colors, brown, green. To make it this way, all you gotta do is creating the first knot and then adding the second color and place it all the way to the left, and continue the same steps as this one. The next knot will be using the right cord, so it's going to create this knot, and then the next one will be the mixed color, and it's going to follow this sequence as the green. And to make the alternate color layout, all you gotta do is move this cord all the way to the right side like this, and tie the first knot, and continue with the next knot. And these are some of the options to create this design. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you to the next one. Bye.